Look how fucking beautiful the weather is, eh? Of course I'm gonna go for a fucking ride. What is that? What's up? Oh, it's a fucking Classico. Look at that. Fuck you know. Hello, fellas. Hello, fella. Oh, fucking beautiful, eh? Let's see this guy want to race me or not. Fucking fully blacked out golfy. A little play golf. You wanna play some golf, eh? Oh, the fucking roads are empty, bro. Just the way I Ooh, I look quite good in my shadow. Look at that shit. Ooh, look at me. I look like a fucking Power Ranger, bro. Yeah, I'm living the dream right now, man. Ow, 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 fight, ow. Felt that one in my skull, bro. I got one to get me on the balls, right? Well, I guess I'm not having any kids now. Bloody hell, bro. Guys ever just, you know, stand up a little bit? Keep the leggies fucking, unnumbing, you know, just give it a little shake, you know. Let's wait for the people behind us, give them a little bit of a show, you know what I mean? Let's quickly see what I'm working here whilst we're here. Ugh. Wow! Wow! Beautiful! Beautiful, beautiful thing! Hey! Hey! Who needs alcohol anyway to have fun, yeah? Who needs alcohol to have fun, yeah? Who needs fun to drink alcohol, am I right? That's what I was meant to say. There you go, it finally came out my mouth. I love penis. What a fucking lovely, what a bloody lovely car, right? It's not bad, you know. It's not bad, you know, yeah? Fucking take it, good shit. It's like I'm trying to race me or something. I really don't have the power for that. Yeah, fuck it, I'll follow him, why not? I do not have the capacity! I do not have the capacity! Yo, what's this guy doing, bro? Bro, this guy's fucking no balls in it, bro. Oh, bro, he's doing that. I ain't doing that, I can't. I'll let him be, I'll let him be, I'll let him be. Wait, which way, which way, which way? This way? Yes, I think. No? Yes? No? I don't know! Okay, oh my god, this is complicated. Okay, this way, and then straight. Right, almost as straight as me. It's quite bent. Well, I'm not gay. I don't know why I said that. Oh, no hands! No hands! I fucking love bikes. Yeah, buddy! I fucking love you! I love you! I love you so much! Wow, it's so beautiful! I'm not even in the view, I'm not even the nice part, I fucking love it! Oh, look at the state of these roads. Well, I don't pay £100 per year for taxes for that! Oh, that's fucking neutral, shit! Oh shit! Let me all night long! Am I singing? That was so bad. Oh my god, don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my god. Boys, you know I have to. Boy, I'm running low on fuel. That is not good. Looks fucking beautiful though, doesn't it? Jesus. Fucking beautiful. Fucking beautiful eh? Fucking beautiful. Oh, the sun's gone. I can really feel it. Oh. He's in a fucking black. Spat all over my thighs, Jesus. Well, I know what kind of place I want to live in when I'm fucking making more than £2 a month. Wow, so pretty. Oh, where's that Harley? Brother! 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 This is the part of Matlock I ever wanted to be in. I think it took me to the wrong part of Matlock. Oh, for frick's sake, dude. Okay, I need to go that way. I thought so. Oh, don't go into me. You scared the shit out of me, boy. Scared the shit out of me, boy. Having the time of my life. Oh, that's the geezer that almost fucking killed me. You know what? Let's go join him. This is fucking fun, bro! Yeah, buddy. You know what? We'll go here. Still following him, bro. Is this tight? I don't even know. Nah, it was as tight as my grandma's punani, mate. Just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. Oh my god, my balls! Ah, my fucking balls! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's clamped. Oh, I'm sitting on my ball sack. Ah. I gotta do it again. I just have to. I want to try 0 to 60 on this thing.